Hello. What is the minimum deposit for a brokerage account? Well, if you are wondering how much you need to open a brokerage account, with some brokerage firm it could be $0. With some it could be $100. Once you create your account, the amount you can deposit in the account might varies. With just Schwab, if I recall right, I transfer as much as what, $6 to the account, because the kids have accounts there as well. So they have Kellenova stocks direct deposit with those companies that do direct deposit. They have some brokers or some companies that manage it for them, like Computer Share manage Walmart, for instance. There is another company that manage for Kellenova, and for some reasons Kellogg became Kellenova, and it has been sending them check for dividend payment every month, so as low as $3.20 for each one of the two girls. So therefore, when we deposit it in our account, I'll transfer it to our Trust Swap. So for two is like $6.40. So I have transferred as low as that amount. I don't know if I transfer lower than that to their account, but yeah, you can transfer very little to the account if that's what you have to deposit. To open the account, it varies, and and again, even it changes over the year as well. So when we have just Schwab account here, when you click on open an account, for instance, it'll ask you the type of account you want to open. I have those three with them, with kids account as well. But if we click on individual brokerage account, that's the account that will be taxable. The joint account will be taxable as well, but not the Roth. When we click on Trust Swap here, the minimum is $0. So you can just open your account with them online, and then after that you can link your checking account to it and start depositing money there to start swing trading. And what is the minimum you can deposit? If you can open it with $0, once you open the account, if that's $100, you have to put it in it. You can do that. If that's $50, you can do that. If that's $10, try it, to see it, if they will say that, oh, that's too low for you to transfer in it. And I will say that if that's $3 you have to transfer, give it a try for them to tell you that that's too low. So, and we can even try to search it and see minimum deposit, for instance. To see if we'll find something that will give us anything about it. So, but I'm just talking based on my personal experience here. But as they say earlier, to open the account, it is $0. And from there, you just start putting money in it based on, how much you can afford to put it in it after you get paid from your job. If that's every 2 weeks, if that's every week, if that's every month, you go from there. If you want to open a joint brokerage account with your spouse, you'll go that route as well. And again, the minimum is $0 as well. what I will say is, when you open a brokerage account with them, it's good to open a checking account, even if you want a saving account with them. I think the saving account has a higher interest rate or something like that. I don't have that anymore because I didn't have money in it. It closes after a while. But the checking account, pay interest on it. Even your cash in your brokerage account, pay interest on it. But when you have a checking account with them, you can just have those things linked together. When you have a checking account with them, I don't know if they are still doing that, but when we open it, they send us a check book, a kind of with a fancy cover. So with the Roth IRA, again, is a $0 account minimum as well. So once you open the account, you can just start putting money in it a little by little. So that answers that question. Now we are going to do analysis, and the stocks we are going to analyze today is T-Mobile, TMUS, to see if it can be purchased today. TMUS, based on the strategy we use. We are going to use maximum daily chart. And T-Mobile, we have 3 lines that we trace that we are comfortable buying it on. And today is December 19, 2025. We are going to compare where the price is, and the price ran out yesterday. We are doing the analysis today before the market opens. But yesterday the market closed on green. The price at the end of the day was higher than the price in the morning when the market opened. So the price went up yesterday. And we are using a maximum daily chart. Every single bar is a daily time frame. So the price went up yesterday. However, what matters to us is where the price is run out on the map or on the chart in relation to where we want to buy and in relation to all-time new high. The price is closer to where we want to buy than it is to all-time new high. So therefore, it's going down. In addition to that, it breached the support line that is supporting the upside wall of the mountain that it was claiming. So, and is going down. So by reading this chart, and if I understand what it's doing, where it's going, I will say that is pulling back to the valley line. So, and we have 3 waiting to see which one is going to use to rest before start going up. And when it gets there, we will be able to buy some share. So right now it is not a buy because it has not touched base with any one of our lines yet. And yesterday it closed at $200. So knowing how much it is and knowing that it's going down, it could be time to start saving for it, to have money in the account so that when it gets there, if you like it, you can buy a share. In 2024, we traded quite a bit along this trend line and even shorter trend lines, buying and selling every few days. But going into 2025, going into 2026, we like to use long option line swing trading strategy, and we start using it this year as well, but we didn't purchase it this year at all. So we are waiting to buy it at the valley line, and it is not a buy today based on the strategy we are using. So thank you so much for watching our videos. Thank you for your time. Thank you for all your comments. And thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, co-host of Liberman Consulting, L.L.C YouTube channel, and in soap.com, our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money. Just start small and grow your account from there. Our strategy works well if you have a job or you have a business and you like to, save some money and invest in your account, in your brokerage account, and start swing trading with it. Our strategy will work for you. It's not a get rich quick strategy. It's finding a sustainable way to put your money to work for you. And the way we analyze T-Mobile to see if we can buy it now, we are organizing a small group online workshop for you to practice analyzing stocks. So if you want a feedback to make sure you're analyzing your stocks right, to decide if you can buy, during the week or so, will you please check our online store, liberdownload.com, for that and reserve a spot if you are interested. And for more on our, this video series, beginner guide to swing trading from the beginning all the way to be comfortable swing trading, will please check the playlist in the description, and that is this playlist at the bottom of the list of swing trading related playlist. We have it at the bottom here, and that is that playlist that is grouping this new video series that we are going to do in 2026, and we started now this month, December 2025. Thank you so much for your time.